Drop it.
Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another application of the if-else statement. If you recall in our previous program, what we had there is we compare our input variable to a constant value of 100. This time we're going to have two numbers and then we're going to input and compare which has the largest value. So here in our variable declaration, we have three variables. A will be for our first number, B for our second number, and result will hold the value whether it has the largest value or largest number. We prompt the user to enter two numbers and store the input values to A and then B. Now let's compare. If A is greater than B, then this time we're going to store the value of A, whatever value that we have, to result. Okay? Else, let's say if it's not true, else we store the value of B. We store the value of B to result. Okay? This line here prints out the text maximum value is, and whatever the result that we store, either A or B, will be placed into the result variable. Let's now look at our output. Okay, so here we're prompted to enter two numbers. Let's say we test the first one. Let's say 20 and 10. Okay, 10 will be for 20 will be for A, and then 10 will be for B. Let's press enter. So the maximum value is 20. So this statement here is true. Okay, that is A is greater than B. Let's run it again. Let's say our input now is 20 and 30. We now press enter. The largest number is 30. So when we evaluate this becomes false. And it jumped. We evaluate else, then we evaluate, not evaluate. We store the value of B now to result. Okay? And we print out the value here, which is the maximum value now is 30. So here's another example of the if-else statement. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.